As a mom, I find that I don't always have time to sit and apply a full face of makeup. My friends and I, who are new mothers like me, we always joke about how we never have time for anything. Makeup, ourselves, like nothing. Our time is gone. It's not ours anymore. So I wanted to create this video, basic to the point, simple tutorial on how you can apply makeup in 2 minutes and be on the go instead of walking out the house looking crazy like we've been doing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get something from it, and I hope you subscribe, like, and comment below. I will see you in my next video.
My name Kokai Alaji, I'm here to party, so let me get you a shot of Patron. What's that? Bacardi you drinking out? Whatever you think is wrong. I'm not one of these regular dudes who wait for that special song to approach you. I hope that you having fun, mommy. I just wanted to meet you. Don't think I've ever met a creature with your type of features before. Don't mean to gas you up, baby. Look, you a hybrid. Bombshell diva, barely makeup on your eyelids. About to hit the stage with Denzel Crook, the fly kid. I kinda like you, so I invite you to fly like I did. After the show in my whip, roll a split, boo, do not trip. Pop a molly and live in the moment. Turn up to 150%. Never mind who you with, focus on where you going. Don't you never forget. Well, sometimes I just get way ahead of myself. Before we get into tomorrow, you just gotta let me know, who are you? Huh? Going in. Baby girl, who are you? Yeah, at least tell me that much. Yeah, baby girl, who are you? I gotta know. Baby girl, who are you? What? Pack your bags and let's go.
Flying overhead, that's a bird's eye view. I see I'm a green, look down and spot you. Swoop, swoop on them, it's a quick stop through. Try and get you on the wing so you can see the clouds too. But you refuse, run-ins with them dudes got you jaded and your face all screwed. Cool, pay for your food, then off I flew. Straight to a perch, couple J's I blew. Try and